Hey everyone, it's Dr. Evans here from Sugarland Medical Spa, and I have news for you. I care so much about my patients, and I really specialize in their sexual wellness thing. But what we forget sometimes is, what about the mind? How does that mind affect our sexual wellness? Well, I'm here to tell you that we have a device here. It's called the Exomine. This is a device that's designed to enhance neurological relaxation. It helps with things like mental clarity and parasympathetic activation, all of which plays a significant role in sexual function as well as intimacy. So this is something, while it actually helps stimulate the brain, which of course is a little bit different than some of the other direct things that stimulate the genitals and things like that. These are different than traditional sexual wellness devices. But what it does is that it indirectly helps support this thing. This targets that mind-body connection. So for all my high performers, my people that are out there that are doing their thing and they're very, very much in stressful jobs, this is something that can help get you to calm down, and it can help you actually enjoy your partner, enjoy the life that you're living, and things like that. So what it does, first of all, it actually helps reduce stress and anxiety. These are things that increase cortisol levels. Increase in cortisol levels leads to a lower testosterone and estrogen levels. Those are things that inhibits the ability to orgasm. It leads to a low libido, or it can actually lead to what's called performance anxiety for my men. The Exomine can help promote deep relaxation by reducing that sympathetic overdrive and that fight or flight, and allowing the body to enter a more sexually receptive state. I mean, how cool is that? The second thing it does is that it actually helps enhance that parasympathetic tone and that sexual arousal and orgasm. These are things that are directly linked and that are parasympathetically driven, right? This is that relaxation zone, okay? Not that fight or flight. The Exomine helps by activating that vagus nerve, where there's a shift in the nervous system. So you get more into that rest and receive mode, which can then actually helps improve blood flow and arousal as well as readiness. The next thing it does is it helps improve sleep, mood, mental clarity. I mean, how amazing is that? I hear from women all the time, especially my postmenopausal women and some of the men that are older that have trouble with sleep. Whenever you don't sleep, guess what? You're not in the mood. The Exomine sessions can help enhance dopamine and serotonin levels. These are things that are neurotransmitters that are essential for your sexual desire, bonding, as well as pleasure. The next thing it does is that it helps with your mindfulness and presence into intimacy by calming that mental chatter and promoting that brain coherence. The Exomine helps support this greater body awareness. I mean, how amazing is that? I can tell you all the time where I hear women talk about they're actually there in the moment, but they just can't make that connection because they're thinking about things at work, okay? So this is something, again, that helps calm your mind, Again, it helps reduce performance anxiety, right? So who benefits from something like this the most? Any guy with stress-induced ED or low libido in women, women that are experiencing things like menopause or fog, those mental blocks, fatigue, things, especially with my couples that are having this disconnection. Couples that need to actually slow down and reconnect mindfully. This is something that is beautiful for my couples indeed. So I am Dr. Kimberly Evans. I am from Sugarland Medical Spa here in Sugarland, Texas. I care so much, again, about the sexual wellness for my men as well as women. So I am proud to be the first in Houston to introduce the Exomine to help our patients with that. And of course, don't think that this is all it does, is that it helps with sexual wellness. Because honestly, if you're sleeping better, if you're functioning better, if you don't have that brain fog, things such as just as a good night's sleep, you can actually interact and be more responsive to people at the day, at work, in various places like that. So these are all things that will help you here at Sugarland Medical Spa. Also, too, this is something that can be combined with any of our other technology. So literally for the month of July, for men as well as women that are coming in to get the O shot or the P shot, guess what? That's going to include a free Exomine treatment. Because you know what? I want you to go home and really be able to relax and enjoy yourself. These are some of the things where problem with mental wellness can affect so much when it comes to your sexual wellness. So these are just some of the few things that we have here at Sugarland Medical Spa to help you look and feel amazing. Feel free to hit that like and that subscribe button, as well as tune in for more information. And again, we're here to help. Take care. Be blessed.